In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on eBay. If you've sold an item and the buyer hasn't completed payment yet, sending an invoice is a simple way to remind them and confirm the total they need to pay. This can be especially helpful if shipping costs, combined purchases, or order details need to be clarified before checkout. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the option and how to send it. Start by logging into your eBay seller account and going to your seller hub. From there, look for the section labeled Awaiting Payment and click on it. This area shows orders that have been placed by buyers but still haven't been paid for. It's the main place you'll want to check whenever you need to follow up on unpaid purchases. Once you're in the Awaiting Payment section, take a moment to find the order you want to work with. If you have multiple unpaid orders, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. It helps to double check the item details so you know you're sending the invoice to the right buyer for the right purchase. This is especially useful if you sell a high volume of items or have several similar listings. After you found the order, click the Send Invoice option. This opens the invoice process for that unpaid order and lets eBay send the buyer a payment request with the order details attached. In most cases, the invoice gives the buyer a direct and clear reminder that payment is still needed, which can help speed things up and reduce confusion. Before sending, it's a good idea to quickly review the information shown on the invoice screen, just to make sure everything looks correct. Even though the process is straightforward, taking a few extra seconds to confirm the details can help prevent mistakes and make the transaction smoother for both you and the buyer. Once you send the invoice, the buyer will receive it through eBay and can use it to complete their payment. After that, all you need to do is wait for the payment to come through so you can move on to packing and shipping the order. That's all there is to it. Sending an invoice on eBay is quick, easy, and useful when you need to follow up on unpaid orders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.